Hello, Counseling 40 students. Welcome to College Success Seminar. I am your professor, Professor Shepard, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you this semester. I mostly just wanted to say hello and welcome you to the class. I did, however, want to just give you a little bit of a sneak preview into some of what our class will be covering this semester here at LA City College. So if you think about the ways you've been successful in your life in the past or even currently, I want you to really bring some of those ideas to the classroom, because while I am your instructor and I will be the facilitator throughout the semester, each of you bring a wealth of information from your own life experiences, and there may be strategies you use that another student has never tried out or thought of that could be very beneficial. I also want you to think about how you've made decisions in your life. So sometimes there are very tough times that we come upon in life, and remembering those tough times and the strategies you use to get through them and to make tough decisions can also be helpful for you as a college student in your classes and throughout your time here at the college, and your next steps throughout your career journey as well. We'll also be talking about some of the student resources and services on campus. So if there are things that you may need or want to try out while you're here at the college, we'll be sure to cover some of those. And then we'll be talking a bit about post-secondary education in general. What is it? What are the options and opportunities available to students, both here at the community college as well as onward. Things like what is the difference between a CSU and a UC, and what are some of the differences and requirements there. So I'll leave you with that for now. I just want to say welcome, and I look forward to meeting you